Cabbage. Cabbage is a nutritious vegetable that belongs to the Brassica family, which also includes broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. It comes in different varieties such as green, red, purple, and Savoy cabbage. Here are some key points about cabbage. Nutritional content. Cabbage is low in calories and rich in essential nutrients. It contains vitamin C, K, and B6, as well as folate, manganese, and fiber. Red cabbage also contains anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that give it its vibrant color. Health benefits, including cabbage in your diet, can provide various health benefits. It supports digestive health due to its fiber content, helps with weight management as a low-calorie option, and may contribute to heart health due to its high levels of polyphenol and antioxidants. Versatile cooking ingredient. Cabbage can be consumed raw in salads, coleslaws, or wraps, or cooked in various dishes such as soups, stir-fries, stews, and braises. Fermented cabbage, known as sauerkraut or kimchi, is also popular and offers probiotic benefits for gut health. Selection and storage. When selecting cabbage, look for firm heads without blemishes or signs of wilting. Store cabbage in the refrigerator, preferably in a plastic bag, to maintain freshness. It can typically last for a couple of weeks if stored properly. Precautions. Some individuals may experience gas or bloating from consuming cabbage, especially if they have sensitive digestive systems. Cooking cabbage can help mitigate this effect. Additionally, individuals taking blood-thinning medications should moderate their intake of cabbage due to its vitamin K content, which can affect blood clotting. Overall, cabbage is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes as part of a balanced diet.